Here's the 8-step formula to create viral content. And let me tell you, if you're not following these 8 steps in this order, chances are your content will never go viral and it won't have the impact that it deserves. So you must make sure that you're following these. And this comes directly from Evan Carmichael, who is an OG when it comes to content. He has millions and millions of followers and subscribers, so you know it works. Step number 1 is you have to lead with a powerful opinion, something that you believe to be true that maybe others don't. Step number 2, explain it with a context sentence. Step number 3, you gotta raise the stakes. Step number 4, you gotta do a quick intro about yourself. Step number 5, you have to tell a story. Step number 6, teach something of value. Step number 7, a strong call to action that's relevant to that topic. And step number 8, thank them for watching. Now, I appreciate you guys for watching. And if you want to learn more about these 8 steps, check out the latest episode on the Happy Hustle podcast that I did. Peace and love.